This video is sponsored by the following people. Please click the links in the description below.
My materials, which in both cases I've got two lots of materials actually. One is my normal iron and 1.2 442 high carbon tungsten steel. Sandlite, soft on the outside, hard in the middle. I have a bar of it here that's heating up, and now I'm going to forge the begin the process of forging the shape of the blade and the geometry, and then forge the heel out, and then hammer in all the rest of the geometry to quite an extreme degree. And then I've also got this bar, so I'm going to do a heavier version in this interesting material, which will look more like a Tamahangi mixture of iron and steel, but again it's got hard steel in the middle. Thing of water here, so ready to squeeze. I put a bit of water on the anvil like that, and it helps keep everything clean. It's very photogenic because you get. So this is my little whacker. It's going to test the gap actually. I generally forge with the door shut anyway. I mean, you can see the heat better. See what low heat I can utilise with this die setup. It's pretty ace. I love this bit. Do another little taper heat on it, and then a bit quicker to make a nice flat taper in this one. Woohoo! Otherwise it'll end up. So I literally just do it over there. Woo, bit of scale just went down my boot. Probably enough. Should be enough. And bar's getting hot now. Tong. pretty good point to stop and forge the tang out. So, well, we've moved a lot of material. Still a way to go, but yeah. Just tidied up the heel a little bit. Need that little bit. I'm always burning myself. Look at these gloves. They're like Jeremy Beadle gloves. Back to the power hammer. Yeah, so I'll draw the tang out and then back to the geometry again then. It's just a nice stage to get the sort of complete shape. Sort of doing the tang kind of corrects that bit as well where it's kicked up. So when I forge the tang in, it should by and large end up pretty square with the spine. I do use the anvil quite a bit. I've got to correct that. It's because the dies are kind of dished like that, it won't get it square, but that's what I need for forging the geometry, so. Square it up a little bit as well. Nice little hammer to work at. Yeah, it moves it, doesn't it, with that little die. That first thing I'm going to correct is this bit here. Yeah. It's pretty wild, man. To grab that water and to give it a little, sort of prevent any major scale build-up. Good. Woo! Start paying attention to the dimensions now, so it's looking really good. Got everything in the right place, just a little bit more to creep in there, which is just where you want it really. Don't want to end up with it really skinny there. Super thin down there, which is good. So actually, it's just to try and blast a bit, just blast some of the scale off. I'll be able to surface finish it a bit better. Keep going with that on there as well. So we won't have to spend as much time pickling things today, but it's a nice way to work. Yeah. Oh yeah. See what I mean about these ties? They just want to make everything a mil thick, and you've got to control it. Pretty nice taper now, so I think I'm going to leave the rest basically a planishing stage. It's pretty much there. To correct the tang again, I'll forge the tang out again. Yeah, there was like a little lump that would have got in the way of me forging into that little bit. Not much clean up to do, but the next stage I'll may as well do the heat cycling as well in this go. Yeah, I'll do a couple of heat cycles, and then we'll I'll let it cool down, and then I'll do the profile, and then I'll do the final planishing.
I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, then you need to know about our sponsors who made this video possible. We have Multi-Tool Products, who do the 84 engineering belt grinders, Clark Knives, who are a 3-generation family-run business who offer stock removal Damascus billets, but also offer professional heat treatment service for all types of knives. And GFS Knife Supplies. They are a one-stop shop for all your knife making consumables. GFS is a small family-run business and some of the quickest deliveries for your knife making needs, including but not limited to handle material, wood G10 liners and pins, the rock blade heat kilns, quenching oil for hardening knives, abrasive belts that can cut through hardened steel, and of course the steel stock that you use for making knives. Have a look at the brand new things that these guys have to offer by clicking the links in the description, and at the same time it's a little thank you to them for sponsoring these videos.
But there's not loads to trim back, you know, it's just it's not worth cropping anything off. I just do it on that grinder. I'm going to give it a run under there actually to begin with.
One of our Patreon promoters will be winning a fantastic hoodie this next week. Join us at patreon.com/UKBladeShow to join.